Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this cute crochet duck. And I used a G hook and it measures about 4.5 inches. You can always make it bigger by extending with the single crochet rounds or with a larger hook. And the pattern is down below. I used velvet yarn. Okay, so let's get started. This is the type of yarn that I use. I bought at Joann Fabrics. If this is too fast for you, you can place your video in slow motion. And if this is your first time doing the magic circle, there are links for that down below under beginner stitches and magic circle. I'm going to slip stitch into it and start with 6 single crochet. This is for the top of the head. Grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops and finish with 6 single crochet. Now I'm going to pull it closed and work 2 single crochet in each stitch around, and you can use a stitch marker. I am working in continuous rounds. So insert my hook and then work 2 single crochet, increase in each stitch around for a total of 12 single crochet. Now I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the first stitch and then 2 single crochet, increase in the next, and then that is the pattern until you get to the stitch markers 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2. Now I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 single crochet, increase, and that's the pattern around 1, 1, and then 2 for an increase. Work that until you get to your stitch marker. Now work 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work an increase. And then you're going to work 2 single crochet here, and that's the pattern around 1, 2, 3, and then 2 for an increase. Now I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches and then an increase of 2. And if you want to go bigger on the head, you can keep increasing or increase your hook size. So this is the next 4 stitches, and then this is the last round of increases. And then work 2 here, and then that is the pattern, 4 and then 2 increase. And work that to your stitch marker. And now I'm going to work 1 single crochet of the green for a total of 3 rounds, and then I'm going to add a white stripe. To add the white stripe, I'm going to slip stitch to end the round, and then I'm going to pull through with my white yarn and then a single crochet in each stitch around until I get to the beginning. So it is straight, and then I'm going to pull through with my brown yarn and work 1 single crochet in each stitch around until I get to the beginning, and then after that I'll start decreasing. Now I'm going to slip stitch to end this round, and because it's all color changes, I'm slip stitching. Now I'm going to work one single crochet in the next 4 stitches and then work a decrease. Now I'm going to insert my hook, grab the yarn, insert my hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook for a decrease, and then I'm going to repeat with one single crochet in the next 4 stitches and then a decrease again until I get to the beginning. Repeat that to the beginning. Now I'm going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches and work a decrease. Now work a decrease and then work this until you get to the beginning, one single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then a decrease. I'm going to add the little beak with the yellow yarn above the white stripe, and I inserted the eyes that I got from Amazon, and they're about a few inches apart. So I'm just doing about 2 to 3 dash lines and then securing it in the inside for the beak. And then I'm going to do little smaller dash lines of white underneath the eyes for the cheeks. And do the same for the other eye. Now I'm going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then work a decrease, and you can work that until you get to your stitch marker, and then work your decrease here and just repeat that around. Now you can fill it with stuffing and then work one single crochet in the next stitch and then work a decrease. And then work that to your stitch marker. Make sure you have your stuffing inside and then work 2 single crochet together decrease until it closes and until you get to your stitch marker. You might have to do 1 extra to make sure it closes, and then I'm going to close it with my yarn needle. Slip stitch and then yarn over and pull through, and then I'm going to take the yarn needle and weave in my ends. I'm going to make 2 arms and 2 feet. They're made the same exact way, and I'm going to chain 2 with the G hook and single crochet 4, single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So 4 all together. And then I'm going to work 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 8 altogether. And it is going to be a little bit of a tight squeeze. You can slip stitch there, it might make it a little bit easier, but with the 4 it does make it a little bit of a tight squeeze. You'll have a total of 8, and then you're going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around after that, so you'll have a total of 8 again. So right now 2 single crochet, and now finish with 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I used velvet yarn for the arms, and then for the feet I did use acrylic yellow yarn, but you can use velvet yarn as well. end with a slip stitch, and then I'm going to attach it right below the white stripe. And this one I made reverse colors with the brown on top and then the green on bottom. You can make these any color that you would like, and I'm just going to attach it right there close to the cheek. Now I'm going to attach the feet right below the eyes on both sides. I hope you enjoyed this crochet duck tutorial. The pattern is down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.